Hello, hi. This is Arnes. I completed my bachelor's degree in electronics communication engineering in Tandaippir Government Institute of Technology. And while I completed my bachelor's degree, I took my career into IT field. In that time, I want to learn some programming language. In that time, I got an internship offer from Shiash Info Solution Private Limited. In that I take my programming language in data science. While learning in data science, I learn by from scratch like Python language, machine learning algorithm. In machine learning, there are two types of learnings: are supervised learning and unsupervised learning. And also, while during my machine learning concept, they will teach my each by steps for procedures. And while I'm learning machine learning algorithm, mainly the algorithms are like linear regressions, logistic regressions, random forest algorithms. And also I done my practical manner in that programming knowledges. In that also I took my more number of projects for a practical knowledge like heart disease, heart disease, and automobile CSP, like pre-trained models and OSS models, and some more also. And finally I got a real-time project in two projects I done and submitted in the Shiash Info Solution Private Limited. One is leveraging using machine learning algorithm using spam email detection, and also second is hand gestures using pre-trained model. And thanks for this opportunity given me by Shiash Info Solution Private Limited. Thank you.